To show or hide mute all sounds shortcut when pressed and volume up keys in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Next tap advanced settings, and then tap set and volume up keys. Scroll down the screen, on mute all sound, check to show, mute all sound when you press set and volume up keys, or uncheck to hide. Check to show or uncheck to hide. Okay, if you check and press volume up and set keys, mute all sound will be shown. And then if you uncheck, sorry, if you uncheck mute all sound, you cannot find in when you press set and volume up keys. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.